Bonjour à tous and welcome to Learn French with Vincent. This is Unité 13, leçon J. And in this lesson, we'll see what we call les locutions adverbiales and then qui expriment la rapidité. And of course, the first thing that we've got to understand is what is une locution adverbiale. And well, the answer is quite simple. When we're talking about une locution adverbiale, we're talking about a group of words that all together will be used instead of what we call an adverb. Okay, so remember, when we're talking about an adverb, it's this type of words that we will use normally to complete a verb, so to give more information with a verb, and then in that case, in most of the cases, we tend to use an adverb, but then it's also possible to use group of words that will all together have the same use and the same function of like an adverb. Okay, so we'll see them together right now. The first one, à toute vitesse. Okay, and you will see here the translation in English. Okay, à toute vitesse. À toute vitesse. À toute vitesse. À toute allure. À toute allure. À toute allure. En un clin d'œil. En un clin d'œil. En un clin d'œil. En un rien de temps. En un rien de temps. En un rien de temps. En toute hâte. En toute hâte. En toute hâte. Whoops, and that's it. If you want more videos, then the channel is right here, youtube.com/imagier, and then I'm also on Facebook, so if you want to like me, then it's right here. And you can find more material at the following address, www.imagier.net. Voilà, voilà. Have a great day. Bye bye.